Hi everyone, this is Daniel from Jupley, and this is a follow-up video in relation to the Google account ID ending 6461, which we did the appeal on August the 31st. Today is the 2nd of September, so literally 2 days since the appeal was done. I'm pleased to report the account has been unsuspended. If I click on notifications, move my video out of the way, your account is unsuspended. We see there's an ad disapproved, but we'll get to that shortly and we can fix that. But I wanted to make a video to show you that, we know what we're doing. A bit of background, just to refresh your memory, the client reached out to us because their account was hacked. Someone hacked into their Google account. Somehow, that's beyond me. And, they spent like $1,000 in a day when normally the customer would spend like $100. So Google put a block on the account, and the customer got an email from Google, said we had to do a few things to make it work. They followed those instructions. They were told the account will be reactivated within 5 days, and the account was not activated within 5 days. So because the customer waited, for so long, they reached out to us and said, hey, can you get involved? So, we did the appeal, as I mentioned, on August the 31st, and, it's now the 2nd of September. We did not actually get an email back from Google to say that the appeal was successful, which is rare. Normally we get an email back saying, your account is activated again. We didn't get that email. I'm sure there's a delay. But the customer noticed that the account was reactivated. So, yeah, we're really pleased with that. This was a unique case. Remember, the account was suspended for unauthorized access attempts or activity in the account. We did the appeal, and we're pleased. We're very, very pleased. Remember, like I said, we enjoy getting these accounts fixed. It's like an investigation, a crime scene. So, we're very pleased for this client, and hopefully the plan is now they will keep us on as a retention to manage the account and look after them. But the contract was to get the account unsuspended, which we've done. So we're very, very pleased. Just to recap, my name is Daniel. I'm the owner. My email is Daniel, DANIEL at Jupley, JUPPLEE.com. And our specialties now is dealing with these ad suspensions. We are a full-blown marketing company, but we have a department now that specifically focuses on ad suspension. So reach out to us. Our phone number in the USA is 720-484-0338. That's my direct line. Or call the office direct, 720-390-2124. Thanks for watching.